If you want to change the time or time format on your Samsung F70 Pro 5G, but you don't know where to find the right settings, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set the correct time and change between the 12-hour and 24-hour formats. It only takes a few seconds, and you don't need to install any additional apps.